Hello students, how are you all? Today, in the second part of the chapter plant, we will study different parts of trees. As in the first part, we have seen different types of plants, big size, small size, very small size, creepers, climbers. Na? Today we will see different parts of tree. So you can see the image of tree. There are many parts of trees. So let's see one by one. First, the green part, which is very much prominent and visible to you all. This green portion. This green part is leaves. Okay, these are leaves. And these leaves make food for plant. Okay, these leaves make food for plant. As your mama cook food for you, exactly in same way these green leaves make food for this whole tree. With the help of sunlight, when the sunlight fall here, then these green leaves use this energy and make the food for plant. Then these are the fruits. Some fruits are very juicy, some fruits are dry, some fruits are very tasty and sweet in taste, and some are little sour. So having different varieties of taste, you will find fruits in trees. Okay, so it is fruits like mango. You have, I know you all have taste of mango. It is very tasty, na? Then branches. These are the branches. With the help of these branches, leaves expose themselves towards sun so that sunlight will fall on each leaves and they can make food for the plant. Okay, so these are the branches. These are branches. Then the next part, it is a stem. With the help of this stem, this plant stand upright. And if this stem is very strong, is very thick, in case of tree, then this stem is called as trunk. Trunk, trunk. It is a strong stem of tree. You can see a strong stem of tree. First thing, it helped the tree to stand upright, and also it helped to transport the nutrient, whatever it is absorbing from here to here, or whatever the food this leaf form, the food which these are the leaves, they form food, na? These food will come here with the help of stem. These food will come here to all parts of plant with the help of a stem here. So it also help in transportation. It provide the way. So the main important thing for you that the stem help to stand upright the plant. Then the last part of this tree, it is roots. Basically it is underground. Means under the ground. You can't see it. You will only see this much part of the tree. This part will be underground. These are roots. What the root do? Roots hold. They hold the plant. Now, these roots hold the plant so that the plant or tree can stand upright. They hold the tree or plant. If I am saying plant, you should get it. Then these roots hold the plant so that this can stand upright. And the next thing, when we watering the plant, then the water and minerals will be taken by these roots and then will go to the plant. So you can say these roots help to hold the tree and absorb. Absorb means take the nutrient from the soil. Soil में जितने भी nutrient होंगे उनको ये roots absorb करेगी और ऊपर ऐसे प्लांट्स को पहुंचाएगी. Absorb the waters and nutrient from the soil. So different parts of the trees, they are different function we have seen. So you can just count leaves, fruit, branches, trunk, roots. These are the parts of tree. Now we will see leaves, different types of leaves. You have seen they are having different size, different shape. You can just see here, it is a peepal leaf, it is lotus leaf, it is banana leaves, it is neem leaves. So, but other than these, you have many more ideas about leaves. Rose you have seen, marigold you have seen, and if you really want mint, money plant, if you see the leaves, you will find that these are of different size. Some are very small, some are very large. Like this banana leaf, you can see how big it is. This lotus, it float on the water, it is of medium size, but when you see the neem leaves, it is small in size. So this size differ from very small to very big. And shape is also, here you can see its shape. It is little bit of heart shape. Then lotus, you are just looking here, most portion it is a oval shape, then it is a large rectangular little bit, and it is, you can see here the shape of neem leaves, it is very small in size, having this type of structure, just this, something like this. There is serration is here. Well, so you will get different types of leaves on the basis of its size. It can be very small, can be very big, shape, different shapes you will find. So let me read it. Most of the plants have leaves. Some plants have big leaves like banana, and some have small leaves like this neem. So we will just see all these parts, and today it is the only part which we will discuss. In the next part of this chapter, we will discuss the products we get from the plant. Okay. So student, read it. It is very helpful for you and we should know everything. I am just revising again. Parts of trees, leaves. Leaves help in food formation, means the makes the food for the plants. Then fruits, then branches. Branches help to expose the leaves to the sun so that leaves will get proper sunlight and make food for the plant. Then the trunk, it is a strong stem of the tree. Then root, it holds the tree and it absorbs the nutrient, or it takes the nutrient from the soil and reach it and help to reach it to the different parts of plant. Okay. So, and then the leaves can be of a small size, of big size, having different shapes. You all should know, other than this, you all should know different other shapes of leaves. So we will do one activity. We will find out at least 5 different types of leaves. Okay. So thank you class.